fidget trading with my best friend. Disclaimer, this is all fake. Haha, get scammed.
Okay, whatever. I'm gonna go on mute. On mute. Now, I'm gonna scam her back, guys. On mute. Okay. Well, what do you have to offer for this?
Oh my god, that's my dream fidget. I saw it on Amazon. But I know you didn't get it from Amazon. Drop top and play.
Yeah, I got it from my best friend.
I will offer you this heart puppet. Come back for a part, I don't know, to see what she says.